Hey, science peeps. Hope you're doing really well. This kind of crazy times that we're living in right now. But hope that you're staying not so bored. And I'm going to be working from home the next several weeks. And this is kind of my life right now. So my office is probably going to be like in my garage. And I'll end up getting some work done either here, it might be at school. But I hope that you are all doing well again. Uh, and I'll be having some content on Google Classroom, and we'll have some things that we'll end up doing. But yeah, hope that you're doing well. If you need anything, or if you just need to check in with either me or your other teachers, feel free to contact us. Email works best. And and if you need to, if you can't reach us otherwise, make sure that you contact the school or have a friend contact the school for you, and that would work out great. My life is busy here, and I'm really enjoying it though. So hope that you're doing well, and make sure you check Google Classroom if you for assignments or other postings that we have. And again, stay well. Say bye bye.
Bye. Bye.